Alright, so he's going to the 7th and 8th fret on the high E. Pull off, then a hammer on. Slide from the 8 to the 10. Back to the 8. Then slide from the 10 to the 12 on the B. Then to the 10. Back to the 8 2 times. Sounds like this. Do that pull off hammer on again. And then slide from the 8 to the 10, then the 10 to the 12. Then the third time again, you do the same thing you did at the very beginning. Then he slides from the 10 to the 12 on the high E. And then 2 picks on the 10. Up to the 12 to the 14. To the 12. To the 10 2 times. So those together slow. And then what he does, he goes down to the 3rd fret on the B string, whole step bend. While that's bent up, play the high E. And then the 3rd fret on the E. And then release that bend on the B string. Then 1st fret and 3rd fret on the B string. Then a whole step bend on the 2nd fret of the G string. And then open B and 3rd fret. And then again bend on that 2nd fret of the G. And then open G. Alright, so he bends up on the 3rd fret of the B string. Open E. 3rd fret on the E. Release that bend. To the 1st fret on the B. Then slide from the 3 to the 5 on the B. To the 3rd on the E. Do a whole step bend on the 5th fret of the E. Release it. Pull off to the 3rd fret. To the 5th fret on the B string. So it sounds like this. Those two together sound like this. Alright, so he's going to 3 to 5 on the high E. Bend the 5th. And then 2 picks on the 5th. 3 again. Bend on the 5. Then 3 5. And then 3 5 3 right after it. So all together. Then slide from the 5 to the 7. And then 2 picks on the 5. Or the 2 pull off on the G. Hammer on 2 to 4 on the D. 2nd fret on the G. And then open D. And a half step bend on the 2nd fret of the high E. Hammer on the 2 to the 4 on the D string. And then open D. So those two together. If you're enjoying this content, I'll leave another Guns N' Roses video you can watch next. Bye.